It's not the traditional two wheels these riders are used to, but a donation like this goes a very long way for those in need.
We virtually do all of our own maintenance with volunteers, and hence the sort of stuff that they're donating today goes a long way.
The riders have rallied around Centenary House for the past 4 years, donating supplies and fundraising for the community organisation.
I think they do terrific work, and they do it on pretty much a shoestring. And we all know people who've had some pretty sad times and have had to come here, and they've been supported brilliantly by the people here and all the volunteers.
Armed with a wish list from Centenary House, the Easy Riders provide the necessities.
We like to give practical support, things that perhaps other people might not think of.
This year's haul included brand new tools and 2 much needed wheelbarrows.
We have 1 or 2 which have been here for 10 years and they're starting to get past their use by date. They're a bit frail, so these 2 new solid wheelbarrows will go a long way.
The annual tradition provides a major boost for the volunteer-maintained facility.
We don't get any money from the governments or anywhere else. It's all voluntary money and it's all donation.
Everywhere we went, people wanted to help because they know it's a great organisation, great charity here.
Rachel Cocard, Win News.